Natural balm to protect the immune system against bacteria and viruses. Learn how these foods help to boost immune system. Lemon. Lemons are a fantastic source of vitamin C, a natural antioxidant with immune-boosting, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. Garlic. Allicin is a substance found in garlic. This substance transforms into allicin when garlic is swallowed or crushed. Allicin includes sulfur, which gives garlic its characteristic flavor and aroma. But since allicin is fragile, it soon transforms into other sulfur-containing substances that are considered to be what gives garlic its therapeutic powers. Ginger guards against illness. Antioxidants, which save your body's DNA from stress and oxidative damage, are abundant in ginger. They may also support healthy aging and aid your body in the battle against chronic conditions including high blood pressure, heart disease, and lung illnesses. Honey. Minerals including iron, calcium, and magnesium are abundant in honey. Raw organic honey has a wide range of therapeutic benefits. Its potent antibacterial qualities help to clear the throat, shield the body from germs and fungus, and increase gut immunity. Ingredients for this recipe: 5 to 6 cloves garlic, 200 grams ginger, 1 lemon juice, 300 grams of honey. Chop the garlic cloves, grate the ginger, and squeeze a lemon and make a mixture. Add 300-gram honey and store in an airtight jar. Take 1 teaspoon in the morning on an empty stomach, or brew 3 to 4 times a day. Be careful if you are hypersensitive to any of the ingredients.